Ah. Hey everybody. Whew. What an operation. That was a great ride. Welcome to it, man. I got a few things I want to talk about today. Let me roll the bike back in the garage, and we'll get set up over there by my favorite flag. That would be the Marine Corps flag. And we'll go over just a little bit what we're going to talk about and what my plans for the next 6 weeks are. So, give me a second, I'll set you up, and we'll talk about what's coming up on this channel. Whew, all right. That was a fun ride. I really enjoyed that. I mean, it's a beautiful day out there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Today is like, right when I went out, it was like 76, 77 degrees. I mean, here it is, it's Sunday the 27th of February. Yeah. And it's a beautiful day. It's gorgeous out there. And I just wanted to get out and ride because it's been quite a while since I got a chance to ride this thing. And I thought, man, this would be a great day to go out and give this thing a little bit of a go. Because it's been a while since I did this. I haven't ridden this thing in quite some time. We've been busy doing other things around here. I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to come out here and talk to you guys a little bit about some stuff that we got coming up. Now, I've done this before. I mean, if you go back and look at my, on the channel, back into January of 2021, there's a video that says, "Welcome to 2021." Well, in that video, I talked a lot about some trips that we had planned for last year. Well, you know what last year was, don't you? That was like COVID extraordinaire. Oh my gosh, everything we had planned, again, got canceled except for our trip to Washington State. I mean, traveling in the States seems to work out okay, so we were able to go through with that one. But all the stuff we had planned overseas, our Italy trip and everything we were going to do in Europe is gone. What a pain. COVID put a squelch on all that stuff. But we've got it all set up again, and now COVID restrictions seem to be coming way down, and that's absolutely a good thing. Matter of fact, we were reading in the news this morning that as of the 1st of March, Italy is no longer requiring a test, a negative test, to come into the country. That was different yesterday when we went to bed. Before we went to bed, that wasn't the case. We got up this morning and that was in the news. So that's good. I mean, we've had the jabs, we've had the freaking booster, we've had all this crap. My gosh. In preparation for this trip, the last thing we were going to have to do was take the test, and now that's been put away for us, and that's good. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, let's talk about this trip. We are leaving very soon. On Wednesday. It's like the 2nd, maybe 3 days. I'm starting to pack. So I thought I would throw a video together real quick, and that's why I'm out here, talking about what we're going to do over there a little bit. Let's get down to it. We're going, like I said, to Italy again. We're going to fly into Rome. We're going to go from Rome up to Florence, Faenza, and while we're in Florence, we're going to be there for a little over 3 weeks, I think. Darlene has taken another Italian class. This is an immersive Italian class. She's trying to learn Italian. Very excited for her. And while she's in class, I'm going to be wandering around the streets of Florence with my cameras, that one there that you're talking on, this microphone right here. And if you haven't noticed, I'm a little bit farther away than I normally am from the camera because I went out and I bought a wireless microphone. So I can get up to like 70 yards, I think they said, from this thing. And it still works. You wouldn't even know where I was, for God's sakes. And I'm going to take all of this equipment out there and I'm going to make videos. I'm going to do some flying because the drone is coming with me. We got some stuff going on out on the coast. We're going back to the Amalfi Coast. I've got a couple of tours set up, or she does. And we're going to go out there and we're going to get out on some trails, and there's these cute little fishing villages that are right nailed to the coastline. We're going to go check those things out, and I'm going to fly that stuff. My gosh, it's going to be great. We're going up to Verona. We're going to go back into Rome. We got quite a few places we're going to do while we're over there, out into the countryside. And then after we spend a few weeks in Florence going to school, We're going to meet some friends over there in Spain. We're going down to Spain, and we're going to do some stuff in Spain. I have a whole bunch of stuff planned for Spain as well. I plan on coming back with a big hard drive full of all kinds of stuff, and I'm going to make some videos. I'm taking a computer over there that has my editor on it, and I'm hoping I have enough Wi-Fi signal over there to actually maybe do some editing and do some posting. Posting would be the bigger thing as far as Wi-Fi is concerned, but yeah, if I can get things posted over there, I certainly will, because I'm going to take an editor over there with me. So that's the plan, the immediate plan. And then again this summer we're going back up to Washington State, and we're going to spend 2 months out there again. And in that 2-month time, we've got another trip planned. We're going back to Alaska. This time we're going to go up there for a week, and we're going to a little town called Sitka. Sitka was a town that I was raised in. We moved there when I was 11, knee-high to a pissant. I moved away when I was 21, so I did a lot of growing up in this little town of Sitka. And I'm going to go up there. Got some friends up there still. I'm going to go see my buddy. Hi, Kenny. Yeah, and I plan on taking these cameras into a lot of different places that I used to run when I was a youngster. And some of them are kind of cool, some of them are very cool. And I'll talk a lot about the different things that I did when I was up there, and I'll do a lot of flying. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to have a blast doing that too. We'll be back here then on August 1st. And that will be kind of, at this point, it's kind of the end of what I think we've got planned. If something else comes up, I will certainly throw something up and let you know where we're going and what we're going to do. I'll give you kind of a heads up on it. But yeah, that's exciting. I'm very excited. Getting to go back to Italy. That's so cool. All right. Well, I'm going to wrap this one up and let you guys go. Stand by for some cool Italian videos. And as they would say in Italian, arrivederci.